Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about some serious stuff, which is how to make money on the internet, or rather how to make real money online, because most people are interested in making money online. And also, when we do these reviews or other people are doing these reviews for $17 product, so these products in $17 or whatever the pricing will be, they might help you with something, but certainly you know very well that you will never make money if you buy them. So I'm not stopping you from buying them. I'm just telling you that nobody makes money in $17. Otherwise, nobody would be, nobody would be poor, or could say everybody will be rich. Okay. So let's face the facts, because until and unless you do not accept the reality and you live in a fictitious world, it will be very difficult for you to come out of the misery. Okay, the misery is that you try so many things but nothing works. Okay, so first fact, you need to accept that no $17 product software machine will ever make you money. Otherwise everybody will be rich. Okay, so on this note, please watch the video till the end. This is going to take some time, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know how long the video is going to be. Okay, but watch the video. It's for your own good. Okay, because by this time other people would have been giving you some bonus orgasms. Buy from me, bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4. They will give you bonus orgasms by now. I am not doing that, but I do have the bonuses which you see right here. We'll discuss them in the end and we'll tell you how you can get them and why they're relevant. Okay, so if you are interested in making money online, that's the first goal, I guess, when people are trying to buy something at $17, right? Now, you can still go and buy the product, okay? But let's face the reality. Nobody makes money 17. I have said that, right? So first thing is that have patience. Stop running after shiny machines, okay? First thing, you do not have patience to watch a 15 minutes video. That means you are not willing to learn. That's number one. You are not willing to learn, you don't grow a skill. You don't grow a skill, then why would you make money? What skill do you have? Why would you make money? Okay. For me, let's say I can make YouTube videos, I can do trading here, as you can see. I can make money in trading, I can make money by making YouTube videos. I have some skills. Why would you make money? Ask this question to yourself until unless you go and get some skill. Okay, so a $17 machine software don't exist in this planet, don't exist in this world or on this planet, which will just print money while you sleep. That doesn't happen. Otherwise everybody will be rich. You know that, right? So for now, subscribe, like and share, and watch this video till the end. That's my request. Okay, it's only for your benefit. I could end up this video in 5 minutes if I want to, but I will not do that because I want only serious people to watch the video till the end. Okay, now who am I? Those who know me, they know me, but if you don't, then you can go on to my channel here, and then you go to my playlist right here. You click on playlist right here and scroll down, and you will see the second last one says affiliate product reviews. I have done these reviews 1673 times. Okay, 1673 videos. What does it mean? It means I had been doing this since last number of years. I think I started these reviews 5 years ago, and then obviously when somebody makes these many videos, they will be exhausted. So I stopped doing these reviews, I guess 3 years ago. I stopped and I changed my field. I learned, I grew a new skill, which is forex trading. As you can see, this is all I do. I mean, this is what I do in the back end as well. Okay, so I grew a new skill, which is forex trading, and then I made these videos on forex trading. As you can see, hundreds of videos. Okay, so this is who is me, and the methods which we're going to talk about are my practical methods which I personally use in my personal online money making life. It's not like, it's not random that I woke up someday and I'm telling you do this. No, I have done that for a number of years. As you can see, first I did YouTube videos, so I'm going to tell you how to make money on YouTube, and then I did trading, and I will show you how to make money on trading. In trading, if you have the money, you can let your money work, which means we use a triple M formula called money makes money. Okay, so if you have the money, if you have the investor mindset, if you want your money, for example, let's say you have 10, 20, 30, 40K sitting in your bank account doing nothing, then put that money at work. Put that money onto work and it will multiply. Okay, so let's discuss the methods, how you can make real money, and we'll do the review in a moment. So just hold on, keep watching. Okay, so the number one link says here, swing like a pro. So when you click on this link, come to this page right here, and then just enter your name, email, and after you do that, you will come to this page right here, okay, which says here forex trading membership, whatever. You go and watch this video. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each, in which in which I have shown that how do I take my trades, okay, and then there are more proofs, right? So what happens, you join this program and you get to work with me one to one, chat with me live, okay. I will tell you exactly what to do, how to do it. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. Don't ask these stupid questions. I'm a beginner, I know nothing, this and that. Don't worry. If you join the program, I will tell you everything, how to set up everything, how to buy, how to sell. Everything is automated. You have to do nothing. Okay. So I will tell you after you set up it once, after you know how to place the stop loss or take profit, or how to buy, how to sell, after that you don't have to do anything. So don't have this question in mind, oh, I'm newbie, I know nothing about this. If you have the money, that's the only requirement, okay. Trading or any kind of trading, whether it's forex trading, whether it's stock trading or any trading that requires money, okay. If you have the money and you want to make money without working, like without working hard, like hard means making YouTube videos 1,000 times, that's called working hard. But if you have the money and you want to work, you want to make money with your money without doing much work, then you can go and get this swing like a pro, join my program, and we will work with you one to one, okay. That's for people who got the money. You don't have the money, cool, no problem, it's not for you. Get out. Get out means chill, okay. It's only for people, trading is only for people who got the money. You don't have the money, no problem, no tensions, okay. You don't have the money, what can you do? Nothing, right? So those who do not have the money still have to have a skill. For example, the second method says get a YouTube channel monetized. So if you click on this link right here and come to this page, enter your name, email. Again, you can check this testimonial video as well. This traffic Jarvis is all about getting your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. You will get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, as you can see in the testimonial as well. She got it. So go and watch this testimonial, after which you will come to this page right here. And on YouTube, you can make money in so many ways, okay. So once your YouTube channel gets monetized, you see this is what happened with me. Once my channel was monetized, I made these videos, and when you see some ads in my videos, I make this kind of money, okay. This money was made just when people watch ads in my videos without selling, okay. Then we have more testimonials which you can go and check. And then we have, this is my Stripe dashboard. So if I sell my services, my one-to-one consultation services, this and that, then people pay me this kind of money, okay. Then I have this email marketing. I'm going to talk about this email marketing in a moment, okay. And then this is again affiliate marketing income. So on YouTube, you have multiple ways to make money with YouTube ad revenue, with with your services you can sell, with your affiliate marketing. You can just go and get this traffic Jarvis course, get your channel monetized, and start making your money on YouTube. If you don't have, if you don't have 20,000, 50,000 to do trading, you can come and do YouTube instead, okay. What else do we have? We have check out all my Warrior Plus products. So you click on this link right here, and I have maybe 2-3 software here. So in case you want to generate cool images, right click here, open this, come to the sales page, and you can get this my Drishyam AI software to create images like these, as you can see, okay. So if you want to create some awesome cool images, you can go and get this Drishyam AI software. Go and check this out in your own time. Then launch to profit is right here, right click. This is going to create some content for you. If you're an affiliate or some marketeer, you can go and check out this demo video here on the sales page, and it will generate all the affiliate campaigns for you, like reviews, articles, email script, this and that. Go and check out these products, okay. So go and check out my Warrior Plus products and get them whatever you need. And then we have get 100 email leads per day. What does it mean? This is the same system. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and also you will be allowed to send them email once per day, okay. So if I come back and show you, this is the email system I was talking about. So it's not going to make you rich, but it is a good source of income, maybe extra $200 per month if you are happy in that much, okay. So you can see this is an old screenshot. I have made more money than what you see here, because the screenshot is very, very old here right now. And then some more money here, as you can see the proof here, email notifications. So anyways, all of the methods which I have shown you, these are the methods which I had been doing in my personal life for a number of years now. And then if you want to speak to me, if you can book consultation. So if you want to talk to me about anything, about trading, about email marketing, about YouTube, if you have your doubts, you don't know what to do, what will suit you, then you can click on this link which says book consultation right here, and then just scroll down and click on this book now. Make the payment. It will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. So make the payment. You can speak to me one-to-one audio call 40 minutes. And once after the payment, you can email me your timing slot. So when you are available or when do you want to speak, the time, we can discuss that. And if you have any questions, you can email me even before, okay? So anything else do we have? If you want, you can grab cash checking, but let's talk about bonuses now. So if you go and buy something from me, for example, if you go and buy my Warrior Plus products, or you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review in a moment now. So when you buy anything from me, you will get these bonuses, okay? So if you buy these products from my link, you have to email me first. Because these things you have to email me. After emailing, I'll send you the bonuses. This is my email address, okay? What is the bonus here? What is the bonus? Number one is free lifetime email autoresponder. So in case you want to start email marketing and grow your email list, you will need an email autoresponder. I'm giving you free lifetime email autoresponder. That makes sense. Free lifetime email autoresponder, no cost. So that's bonus number one. Case tracking is a 2 hours training course. I can show you. That's it. So in case jacking, you will learn for 2 hours how to do exactly what I'm doing right now, okay? What does it mean? It means that you will learn how to make these reviews and then get some sales and make some money, okay? That's 2 hours free training course for you. And then forex profit machine is for those people who know nothing about trading. If you know nothing about forex trading, this 11,000 words with 5 case studies, this is a PDF book you have to read, and it will help you to understand what forex trading is. Even though I told you, if you join my mentorship program and if you don't know anything, I will help you to get started and set up everything. So no problem there, okay? And if you have any questions about anything, you can email me on this address. And I guess that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching so far, and make sure you watch the video till the end. Subscribe, like, and share. Alright, humans, let's do this MOVIEPIX AI review. So right now we are on a sales page. How do you get to the sales page? For that, you have to click the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab MOVIEPIX AI copy here. Click on that link and come to this page right here, okay? So it shows you create entire shows like The Simpsons, South Park, Family Guy, SpongeBob SquarePants, Rick and Morty, or Dragon Ball. AI show creator and runner agent instantly creates complete animated multi-episode shows from a single prompt's entire season. I think we will only understand when we see the demo video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the result here, and then you can find out more details on the sales page. So let me show you what they're talking about. So it's like you type in a prompt and it will create the whole scene and the whole movie. So the end result is right here. Let me show you. That's it. So this is a 2 minutes movie. Okay, they have created in the demo. So you can see this is the live result. This is your end product. You will be creating these kind of animated videos, and you will get more samples on the sales page as well. So you can see it looks cool to me. It looks cool to me. If you want to run some YouTube channel with the animated videos, I think this will kill it. Okay. So looks like it's good for those people who are into animation. Okay. Like if animation is your interest, or you keep watching cartoons or your kids or whatever. Okay. So this is pretty cool for me. You can see it's not a short video. It's not like only 20-second, 30-second video. It's a full 2 minutes long video, and you can create more. You can create 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means that you can increase the duration of the video. So 2 minutes video, then you add another 2 minutes, then add one more 2 minutes. So it becomes 10 minutes video, right? So you can play around, and this is the movie you can see, and more movies you will find on the sales page. So I have shown you the end result. Now let's get back to sales page and scroll down. So you can check out all these things in your free time when you come to the sales page from my link below the video. And let me show you more videos, I guess. There you go. So you can come to the sales page and play these. I'm not going to play. You have to go and play these videos. Okay, these are videos actually. 20 seconds video here, and 18 seconds here. So you have to just go and watch these videos in your available time. and then the whole demo video is right here. So the demo video which I was showing you here, it's available on the sales page for 7 minutes 47 seconds. You can come here and play the demo video and watch it in your free time, and then you can go and grab the copy. Okay, so that's all about this thing called MoviePix AI. This is showing, I guess, $17, is it? I think so. Okay. So whatever the price is, I'm gonna give you a discount coupon, right? So don't worry, I'll give you a discount coupon, and that discount coupon is on your screen now. Move big for 30% off on the whole funnel, I guess, and use code MPVIP for $5 discount. So try to use both the coupons, MOV big for 30% off or MPVIP for $5 off. Try these two coupons, see which one gives you maximum discount. So go and buy from a link below. And this is the funnel here. So front end $17, upgrade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 5, or maybe, yeah, 5 upgrade here. So these are downsells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7 upgrades actually. So I was counting it from left to right, but it is from right to left. So we have 7 upgrades, and what you get in them, that's right here. So this is your front end. You can generate thousands of laser targeted clicks. So you have to go and read everything here. You can pause this screen right now and you can read everything. In $17 you will be getting all of this. Okay, and then in upgrade 1 you will be getting all of this. In upgrade 2 you will be getting all of done for you, and in upgrade 3 you will be getting done for you again. In upgrade 4 you will be getting some done for you websites, etc, etc, etc. So read everything here. And then upgrade 5 is MoviePix Platinum, reseller rights. Okay, so upgrade 6 is Diamond, create something, create something. Just read everything here. And upgrade 7 is reseller license again. So you can pick and choose. You can upgrade to whatever you need, because obviously in 17, or if you use the coupon code, it will be like only $12. Okay, so in $12 you can't expect to get everything unlimited. Obviously, if you want everything unlimited, for example, you want to generate unlimited videos, then you have to pay more money. Okay, so go and grab those OTOs if you want some unlimited videos, whatever. Okay, so go and grab the copy using my link below, and you will get the bonuses as well, which we have shown you in the beginning. So those bonuses are already linked to the sales page. As you can see, my bonus link is linked with the sales page link. So go and grab the copy using my link below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.